ASEAN denies Myanmar's 2026 chairmanship amidst ongoing crisis. Introduction. Southeast Asian leaders have made a significant decision that has reverberated through the region and beyond. Myanmar will not assume the chairmanship of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, in 2026. This development comes in the wake of international outrage over Myanmar's military junta's takeover in 2021. International condemnation. Western governments, with the United States at the forefront, have vehemently condemned Myanmar's military junta for its seizure of power in 2021. They have consistently called for the release of detained officials, most notably Nobel laureate Aung San Suu Kyi, whose imprisonment has been a focal point of global concern. Reasons behind Myanmar's exclusion. The decision to forego Myanmar's chairmanship was met with mixed reactions, as it was not accompanied by a detailed explanation. However, it is widely believed to be related to the ongoing civil strife within the country and concerns regarding Myanmar's relations with countries that do not recognize the junta's legitimacy, such as the United States and the European Union. Philippines to assume ASEAN chairmanship. Instead of Myanmar, the Philippines has stepped forward to assume the ASEAN chairmanship in 2026, as announced by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. This transition of leadership underscores the regional bloc's commitment to preserving unity and stability amidst turbulent times. Challenges in Southeast Asia. Among the key topics discussed during ASEAN's deliberations were the continuing civil strife in Myanmar and territorial disputes in the South China Sea. These issues, along with divisions within ASEAN, including the ongoing U.S China rivalry, have posed significant challenges for the regional bloc's cohesiveness. Call for unity and stability. Indonesian President Joko Widodo emphasized the importance of unity within ASEAN to address both regional and global challenges. He likened ASEAN to a ship that must navigate through turbulent waters while ensuring peace, stability, and shared prosperity for its member nations. Exclusion of Myanmar's generals. Notably, Myanmar's top generals and their officials were conspicuously absent from the summit due to their failure to comply with the domestic peace plan crafted by ASEAN leaders in 2021. Indonesian Foreign Minister Retno Marsudi confirmed ASEAN's unwavering commitment to this plan, signaling the organization's dedication to promoting peace and stability within Myanmar. Human rights concerns. Human rights concerns have been a prominent issue in discussions surrounding Myanmar. Myanmar's security forces have been implicated in the killing of approximately 4,000 civilians and the arrest of over 24,000 others since the military takeover. These allegations have further fueled international condemnation and underscored the urgency of addressing human rights abuses in the country. Upcoming meetings with international leaders. In the coming days, ASEAN leaders are scheduled to meet with key international figures, including U.S. Vice President Kamala Harris, Chinese Premier Li Qiang, and Russian Foreign Minister Sergey Lavrov. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida also plans to address concerns regarding the release of treated radioactive wastewater from the Fukushima nuclear power plant, which has led to China's ban on Japanese seafood in response. Conclusion. The ASEAN region faces multifaceted challenges, from political upheaval in Myanmar to complex international relations. As Southeast Asian leaders navigate these issues, their decisions will continue to have far-reaching implications for the region's stability and its role on the global stage. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explanium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.